Hey, good evening, everybody. My name's Bill. Just doing a little quick video shoot. For 2021 Ram 3500 HD. Just put on some KC gravity lights. This is basically taken from my fender. This is two of the KC wides with the amber covers, on them. You can see here what they look like. Just my parking lights on, no headlights. So now I'm going to turn on the KC gravity driving lights as well. So again, that's just the driving lights and the ambers. On a Randy Ellis design light bar, which I still get to keep my tail hooks. I'm going to turn on our low beams as well. And then this is with my high beams. So again, forgive me, I've got my CB antenna. High beams, low beams, no headlights, turning off the driving, leaving just the ambers. Hope that helps.